Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing essentials, confirm your access version and where the file will live. Open Access, select Blank Database, name the ACDB and pick a folder. Once done, set a sensible file name and enable trusted locations so macros and linked tables run. Make sure to choose split architecture early if multi-user access matters. Why? Splitting isolates data for backups and reduces corruption risk. Now create the file and jump straight to table design. Don't delay the structure. You now design the core, tables and their relationships. Start with a table, add a primary key, and pick concise field types, text, number, date/time. Then add related tables and use the relationships window to drag keys and enforce referential integrity. Once set, normalize to eliminate repeated groups and reduce update anomalies. This simplifies queries and forms later. Make sure to save and test sample records, because practical data exposes design flaws faster than theory. Fix types or keys immediately. You finish by creating queries, forms, and reports. Write parameter or action queries for filtering and updates, then craft forms for efficient data entry, adding validation and meaningful tab order. Next, design reports for printing or export. Once functional, compact and repair the database to optimize file size, then create a backup copy. If things go wrong, check relationships and referential integrity, test queries on a copy, and use compact and repair. Most errors trace back to broken links or incorrect field types.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.